Magluluto daw ng biscuit ang aking ulirang asawa. At hindi po pala ito yung biscuit na akala ko na katulad ng Skyflakes or mga biscuit na kinakain ko. At ang biscuit pala na tinatawag nila dito ay isang klaseng baked bread with firm dry exterior and a soft crumbly interior. At ito po ay gawa sa baking powder at harina. At ito ay pwede mo siyang partneran ng sausage, bacon, or egg. And according to my ulirang asawa, this is perfect for breakfast. At ang sabi ko naman, pwede ko itong kainin kahit mapa-breakfast, mapa-lunch, or mapa-dinner man yan. Dahil walang pinipili itong tiyan ko. Charot.
Masarap.
What?
You didn't understand?
Yeah, they didn't understand. Masarap.
Masarap.
At ito na nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya magluto ng biscuit. Welcome sa panlasang lot-lot charot. How many cups do you need?
3 cups.
Just tell me, we need 3 cups, guys.
So yun na nga, kailangan natin maglagay ng 3 cups na harina.
That's 2. You can narrate.
That's a lot, I guess. How many biscuits do you want to make?
We may have extra. I don't know how many biscuits it makes.
You want extra biscuit?
We'll have some extras. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. And a half. And you need 5 teaspoons of baking powder. That seems to be a lot. 5 teaspoons.
5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yeah.
1. You need to count it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
How many teaspoons do you need?
1 and 1/2. So there's 1. There's a half. Would have been a good idea. Gonna mix all of that.
And then, kailangan natin ng butter mga beshi.
Put that in there.
You need to mash it,
Yeah,
not melt.
not melt it.
Kurot-kurotin at i-mix nyo lang daw itong butter. No need nang tunawin.
And you can pinch it in there. And you get in there.
At sa puntong ito, ilalagay na niya yung gatas.
Next,
Let's put some milk in. Maybe I'll use this.
not this one.
No.
You need to add the milk gradually.
Yeah. Should be buttermilk.
At pagkatapos, kailangan mo na siyang masahin or i-mash or anong tawag. Basta kailangan mo na siyang lapirotin.
Just gonna mash it a little bit. Roll it.
Yeah, just roll it like that. I-roll nyo lang mga beshi. Ayan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hirap nyo yung butter sa pan mga beshi. Sabi ng aking ulirang asawa. Do you know what asawa means?
Yeah.
What?
Husband.
Husband. Very good. Ang galing naman.
There's 3.
Ilagay nyo sa, what do you call this?
Cast iron skillet.
Ayan, ready na siyang i-oven mga beshi.
These for 15 minutes.
At ilagay nyo lang daw sa temperature na 425 mga beshi. At ngayon naman, ini-slice na niya yung sausage.
What did you call it?
Sangkalan.
Sakalan?
Sangkalan.
Sankalan?
Yeah, that's sangkalan. Sausage. Natin mga beshi. Say hi.
Hello. What?
Talk to my subscriber, baby.
Hello.
Just hello.
At ito na nga, piniprito na niya ang sausage niya. Charot. Hindi na daw kailangan lagyan ng mantika kasi kusang magmamantika naman daw ito.
Spicy. Why did you get the spicy one?
Because I love it so much.
Oh.
Flip it.
Flip it. Yan. Wow. Sarap naman. Ang galing naman ng aking asawa. You need to mash it. So, kailangan nyo siyang pipiin ng ganyan. Oh, baby. It looks yummy. Masarap ba yan?
Yes,
Masarap ba yan?
masarap.
Masarap ba yan?
Oh, masarap.
Maingay na. Malapit ng maluto.
What?
Malapit
Malapit
ng
ng
maluto.
maloto.
Yeah.
Malapit ng maloto.
Ang aking sausage.
An aking sausage.
Ang aking
An aking
sausage.
sausage.
Oh, one more.
An aking sausage.
Okay. Tunog na ang aking sausage. Tell them, sunog na ang aking sausage.
I can't do all of that.
Sunog
Sunog.
na
No.
ang aking
Ang aking
sausage.
At ito na nga, habang tinuturuan natin siyang magtagalog, ito na po yung sausage natin at biscuit. At sa puntong ito, lalagyan na niya ng butter ang ibabaw ng biscuit. At habang binibake niya itong 4 na pirasong natira, ay titikman na namin itong biscuit na ginawa niya.
Wow! Mukhang masarap. Umuusok-usok pa yan. How is it?
It's masarap. I think the top is too crispy. It's too crispy on top. But it's alright. Masarap.
What?
You didn't understand?
Yeah, they didn't understand. Masarap.
Masarap.
I like the crispiness.
You do?
Yeah. Ang sarap mga beshi. Try nyo. Oh, try nyo.